Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I am checking out the BASN MTPRO Planar HiFi in-ear monitors. So this comes in a really nice box here. You usually can tell how nice a product is by how nice the box is. It's got little magnets inserted in there. Enjoy your music. So these are for serious musicians that want to monitor their own music. So it's got this nice little instruction manual here. And check out this box here. It comes in this sweet little box. It's metal. It's got its own little case here. It's really nice. So all foam covered and has some little extra instructions there. So that is the earpiece there. It's heavy duty metal, CNC constructed. It's got little the metal mesh there with some silicone ear covers. Just super nicely done here. All right, in this we have this box. There's some pretty crazy nice setup here. We have this little tool here for cleaning them out. Perhaps if you get stuff in there, you can clean your earbuds up with a connection device for your amp or other sound recording equipment. Here is one of the cords, and this is nice. It does come with two of these, one silver and one bronze-ish. It's good length. It's about almost 3 feet long there. Just everything about this seems really high quality. Metallic pieces. In this bag here we have a little clip to hold the line here. We have a device to help remove the audio plugs so you don't damage them, and just a bunch of silicone ear covers, and also foam ones in case for different sound deadening situations and things like that. We also have another cord right here, and this has plus minus and like answering a phone on this one. So perhaps it has like a different jack on there. This could be used for a phone or other item that has that. But this is more like a cloth type cord here. Very nicely done here. We're going to be checking out the sound here. But that is also about the same length as that other one, approximately 3 feet long. That's it for that. The quality here seems really impressive first glance. We're going to go plug this into an amp and a guitar and check it out, but I'm just really impressed with just how nice this looks, and if it's any indication of how nice this equipment is, it should be really well worth checking into. So let's go hook this up to an amp and a guitar and see how this works for us. Now here we have it hooked up to the amp here, and we got our little guitar player here. So it just sounds like a normal electric guitar here, but when you're like actually listening to it play on the headphones, it sounds really good. Okay, my friends, so final thoughts on these. They're super comfortable. I put these in my ears, and it's really comfortable. It doesn't feel like it's anything there. It just molds like perfectly to your ear. The sound quality is amazing. My boy really thought they were super nice. The electric guitar on there sounds like an amp, like right in your ear. It's really cool. Really high quality stuff here, guys. If you want to, you can use this little tool, this blue tool here, to remove them. Just have to be careful with these. You don't want to pull on the cord to remove these things. They snap in there, and they're marked with left and right for the ones that you want to put in there. But just fit right over your ear. Very, very comfortable. Everything's very nicely done here, guys. So I appreciate you guys watching this unboxing. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.